Hello, Style Ghana. How did you achieve this stunning kitchen renovation?
Okay, so we achieved this result by first removing the old ceiling design. And after removing it, we saw an iron rod projected. So our electrician has to cut it off. And as you can see, the status of the kitchen. After removing the old cabinet, stains, dust, and everything is there. So we really need to take all those things out and make sure that the kitchen is clean. Now we finished cutting the iron rod. Now we have to start a very serious cleaning. So we have to use some chemicals to remove all those things of oil, food chemicals. See how serious it is. How my guy is scrubbing the wall with chemicals. Now we need to flush and clean the tile with chemicals also. For modern style kitchen, we now have a system that you can easily clean the down part of the cabinet. Now my guy is ready to do the channeling. Okay, so here the mistakes that we need to avoid was we need to consider the size of the upper cabinet before we take the center of the ceiling design so that we can achieve design in the center. And these are the common mistakes that most artisans do. We all need to plan it well. Now we are coming to the wiring. Okay, so here we have to get the position of the fridge, oven, and microwave doesn't have a socket. So we are going to tap it from this power line. So why did we choose to pass the wiring on the ceiling? Because if we pass it on the floor, we have to break all those tiles again. And we learned from the customer that they don't have a spare of those tiles. So that's why we have to crack the ceiling and pass the wiring. Now we have achieved the goal that we wanted. So we are now doing the aluminium profile light. So we are done with the mapping on the left side where we are going to position the aluminium profile. And my guys are still doing the right side mapping. Okay, so and we also decided to put an aluminium profile under the top cabinet so that when you are coming to work in the kitchen, even you don't need to on the main light, you will still have a proper light that you can do your things. This is Staragana's concept of a modern kitchen. So now we've done most of our work for like 90%. We've done the painting on the ceiling design that we did. We are just doing some small things like fixing of handles, connecting all the wirings for lights and sockets, and we've achieved the goal of putting sockets for the fridge, microwave, and oven. Now we are counting down for the final result.